Oh, yeah. Another day of sunshine. Well, I got 5 sheaths to make, but my wife and I were thinking about going and stocking up on groceries. You know, I have a very, very compromised breathing. My lungs are damaged, and I've got all kinds of medicine that, my morning protocol takes about 2 hours to get through just so I can breathe and talk. And my wife has had half a lung removed. So the coronavirus, normally I don't get worried over stuff, but the CDC is saying it's not if, it's when it becomes a pandemic in our country. So we're thinking of going and stocking up because if either of us get that, there's not a chance we'll live through it. Anyway, so I thought I could probably get 5 sheaths made and probably ship them Friday, but that's not going to happen. I'm going to shoot for Monday. Or, I don't know, it depends if my wife wants to go today, because tomorrow is payday for a lot of folks, and we hate going to Walmart during the government paydays because it's just a madhouse. So we may go today. This is the Patriot flashlight. Patriot. It's Chinese junk. And Pastor Paul Begley, Lisa Haven, and now Dave Janda, Dr. Dave Janda, they're all pimping this flashlight. See the name here? Rugged Reserves. This has been rebranded as and I seldom use air quotes, but it's been rebranded as the Patriot flashlight. And it's Chinese junk, made in China. It's not that, it's really not terribly bad, but it's Chinese-made crap that, you probably spend $2 on this if you bought 1,000 of them. Well, Lisa Haven, Paula Begley, Dave Janda, I've left comments on when they start pimping this flashlight. I don't have a problem with people making money, but I have a problem with somebody selling Chinese junk and calling it the Patriot. And that's just wrong. And I've said as much on all 3 channels, and wouldn't you know, I have got blocked from all 3 channels. So here's what it costs. I'm going to show you what it costs in a minute. This is what it costs if you buy the Patriot flashlight through any one of those people that are pimping it right now. It's about $79. $79. And that's if you go through their link and use their coupon code, which gives them a percentage of it. And, it goes beyond honestly making $1 and supporting your channel to being disingenuous, unethical, and greedy, and lying. When you know something's made in China and it's named the Patriot, and everything on their website is red, white, and blue, and it's complete bull crap. Here's what it costs. This is Walmart's website. You can get this at Walmart for $18. And, yeah. So it was worth getting blocked from them 3 channels, because that's what I equated it to going to Harbor Freight and buy an American flag that's made in China. You should have your ass kicked. Down a lot on the price. This is what you can get it for now if you enter through one of the links provided by Lisa Haven, Paula Begley, or David Janda. There's the flashlight. And there's the flashlight with just a different name printed on it. And I guarantee you, they buy these in the thousands for $1 or $2, and they have their name printed on there, just like this company had that name printed on there. And here they are. Profit's one thing, but when you call something Patriot, look, and they're using red, white, and blue and American flags, and It's just, it really pisses me off because they're trying to play on people's tendency to be patriotic and to love their country. And part of that is loving products made in America. And what they're trying to do is, without saying so, pass this off as being an American-made product, because who else would put Patriot on a piece of Chinese junk? Nobody, except a company that's sole motivation is greed. 149 more subscribers. It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. 149 more subscribers, and I will be giving these away. This is what I paid to have all that stabilized. Not bad. Well, there's 5 dinner skinners cut out. That was a good start. And my little handy wooden patterns really worked well. I'm not sure how much I'm going to get done for the rest of the day. It's afternoon. I may get one out and see if I can get it together. We'll see. We'll see how far I can get. Well, there's one. And everybody wants the same color. So let me put that to the side and get number 2 out here. I gotta probably let that sit for a couple hours before I can sew it. And I'm gonna get started on number 2. I have a stamp that says BC Blades, but it's just a little too big to get back here, so I just stamped BC into it. There's one glued. I'm fixing to glue this one. This one's got a slightly different design. They look the same, but they're not quite the same. Alright, I get this one glued up, and I'm going to go for a third one. Just practicing a little bit of leather artwork. This is a little bit girly. I don't imagine there's many men that would like that, but these are the tools that I use. Let's see. Here is that. And the stem is that little thing there. And this are the leaves. And then there was this. This is, I think I'm gonna go with this. I don't like the one with the stars beside it, but I do like the one in the middle. So I think I'm gonna go with that. And if anybody ever wants that little flowery looking thing, just let me know. I'll hook you up.